Hey guys, me Tom out here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the basic spin, which is essentially this. Now, basically with the basic spin, see what I did there? I'm like my math teacher. You're going to let go, okay? When you're moving downwards, you're going to let go. Not literally let go like you're going to drop your saber, okay? Don't do that, okay? Like, let go, but keep your thumb still on here. And it's best to do it at the top of the hilt, like your dominant hand on the top of the hilt. I can use both hands, but I'm better at it with my right hand. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna let go, keep your thumb holding. So, you're gonna drop it like this. And then you're gonna come back around, not hitting yourself. Do it more to the side. Like, not so far, like this. Or it's gonna go behind your back and you're not really gaining much of defense, but not so close to your chest that you're gonna hit yourself, okay? Just like out here. Okay? So again, here's the side view. Drop, over. Drop, over. It's easier dropping and bringing back over. Do it faster. A little faster. Or I could do it just like normal hand, which you're just basically spinning, like you're hacking over and then bringing back around, but you're moving your body to the side a little more. Now you can do that backwards, which is basically opposite. You just drop it again and then bring it back over. Just same principle, just backwards. Drop over, on like forward, doing it backwards. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and may the force be with you. Please subscribe as well. May the force be with you.